This is how you know you have too many trees. If birds who are migrating use your yard. Now for the most impossible task ever, getting a 2-year-old dressed. You give me ice cream? Where's my ice cream?
Yeah.
Oh, you want me to go get it?
Yeah.
Okay, let me go get it. Ice cream. I got my ice cream, Amelia. Is that good?
Oh, you ate his off the stick too. Come on, put your feet in these pants. Oh, you did it. You really did it. All right, let's put these pants on, girlfriend.
Good job, Amelia. You like your shirt?
What?
Take that as a no.
Well, we got to put your pants on. That's the problem. Come on, let's lay down and change your diaper.
She's off.
Is this how you get dressed, Amelia? You dressed your purse?
Huh, I wonder where Amelia went. Hey! You ready to get dressed? Hey, go run to your mom. Say, I'm ready.
They play loud music in here, don't they? You hear the loud music? Oh, Millie. And then you came back this way?
Yeah.
Cool.
I think they're upside down.
Oh, okay. Is it right?
Oh yeah, you look good. I think they may be too big. What do you think?
I see that it's too big. Let me show that of my mommy. I'm my second.
You found sunglasses?
Yeah.
Wow.
Hey, do you want to take a picture with them? You want to look at me? How about you hug them and smile and I'll take a picture?